Okay, so guys, in this session I'm going to cover this app end user part 2, and here I have to run a certain scenario. I'm going to, scenario based things I'm going to show. So for that I have created one more vendor just now. See, the new vendor has been created. Now for this vendor I'll post some invoices. Okay, so I'm going to create a new, and sorry, I'm going to post invoice here for newly created vendor. So now we are having three vendors. System has created three. Anyhow, we'll post for 80 and then we'll post for 90. And here 1000, take any expense GL 1000. We'll post one invoice for this newly created vendor. Let me save this. Okay, so I have posted a document here. Now we'll do one thing. We'll post one more invoice. We are having one more vendor, that is 80. For this vendor also 1000. Click on payment tab and remove this terms of payment so that immediately invoices will be due, and then post it. Okay, so now we have posted two invoices for two different vendor. We'll go to FBL1N to see the vendor report. Okay, so here company code we have given, and vendor number, I'm not going to give any vendor number here, so that whatever vendors are available for this company code, all vendors will be appearing then. So click on execute. So both vendor will appear, because in both vendor we are having open item. So system is going to let you know how many open items are there. So see here, this 1000 we have posted just now, and this 1000 also we have posted just now itself for both the vendor. Now here posting date 22, and here also posting date 22, 1000, 1000. Now, so what will happen, now we'll run app. Okay, one is showing here overdue and second one is showing as a due. Okay, now during app, once we run this app, then both items should be selected by system. How? Or else we'll do one more thing. We'll post one more invoice which is not due, so that it will be more 500, and here also 500. Press enter. Now here see payment terms of payment 30. It means this invoice is going to be due on 21st September. Post this. So this invoice got posted. Now see here, click on refresh. Okay, so now this item is overdue, this item is due, and this newly posted line item invoice is not due. If you click here not due, this is due and this is overdue. So now what will happen, if we run APP, then system is going to check in background, and whatever overdue and due items are there, those will be selected by system for payment, whereas not due item should not be selected. Okay, that is the main purpose of APP, automatic payment program generally. So now we'll run this APP and then we are going to check whether our purpose is getting met or not. So we'll run this APP. F110 is the transaction code to run this automatic payment program. And what is today's date? 22. And then here identification code, any code you can give. Generally give your company code and then ABC. Okay. Click on parameter tab. So here we are going to maintain the parameter for which company code we are going to run this, for which payment method we are going to run, and what is the next payment date. So today is 22nd, and we have made one more mistake. Generally payment method T we have not maintained with newly created vendor. So I'll do one thing, I'll just maintain here. What is happening here? Okay, so whatever the newly created vendor is there, for that we need to maintain a payment method. If we don't maintain payment method, then what will happen? System will throw error. So xk03, here make it 90, and we are going to maintain a payment method against this one also. Okay, click on edit payment method T and save it. So we have maintained a payment method. Now payment method got maintained for both vendor. Now here vendor account, so don't give anything, and here you can give ZZZ. It means we have given criteria, means we have given a criteria to select all the vendors, whatever the vendors are available for this company code, whether it is 2 or 200 or 2000, whatever the vendors are there, check all the vendors and then make payment. Then again, we are not going to select free selection right now. Click on additional log, and here first, second and fourth, and here also 0 to all the vendors, and then save it. So whether it is 2 or 200, in both case same. It means we have given criteria that check all the vendors, and whatever due overdue items are there, those will be selected for payment, and not due item will not be touched by system. So run the proposal. First we are going to run the proposal, and in proposal itself we will come to know whatever. Keep on pressing enter. See here, proposal is running. Keep on pressing enter until this status got changed. Keep on pressing enter. Proposal is still running. Again press enter. Either we have to keep on pressing enter, or else you need to blink here, anywhere. Okay, so proposal is running. Now see, proposal has been created. So click on additional log and check the proposal whether it has been working perfectly or not. So come down, we have to check our accounting entry, whether accounting entry has been generated or not. Now see the accounting entry. Now it is showing only 1000. System has selected only 1000. Okay, but as per our this one, it should be 1000 here and 1000 here, 2000 total payment. It means somewhere some problem is there. What is the problem? So system has selected 1000.
We are selected given the payment method only one vendor, one line item.
No. I have given for both. Yesterday I have given for previous vendor. Okay, I'll let you know where is the problem. See, the bank details are missing. If you come up, I'll let you know. Bank details are being changed. Customer vendor bank details are being read, and country, this is the bank account. Okay, are being used. Bank details itself is missing. Just do one thing. We'll do one thing. Since bank detail, click here, and then we are going to enter bank detail here also, and account holder, this company name simply we can give here, and then click on bank data, and then we are having swift code also. Save it. Now then we'll check where is the problem. Now click here, and we are going to delete the parameter proposal. We'll delete the proposal. Come back, click here on proposal, and then delete. Yes, earlier I might have clicked somewhere. Now once again we are going to run proposal. Press enter, keep on pressing enter, and click on additional log. Once again we are going to check whether any problem is there. Again 1000 itself system is taking. Now see, this 1000 system has taken into consideration. I'll tell you guys where is the problem. See, 1033. Okay, see here we are having two documents, 1033 and 1032. These two are supposed to be posted, right? These two payments supposed to be posted. Now here the problem is what we have made. Where is the problem? For 1033 system has, for 1033 accounting entry is getting generated, but for 1032 what is the problem? PO box entry is missing. See, street and PO box. It means bank details we have given, but still street and PO box details are missing because this vendor we have created very new. That's what this error is coming. Here we have not given anything in a street address. So give anything, some details you have to give. City, you can give anything, any city, and save it. So now I think we have done with. So once again we need to delete the proposal. Now instead of 1000 there should be accounting entry for 2000. Click on proposal, edit and delete. Once again we are going to run the proposal. Keep on pressing enter. Click on additional log, proposal run log, and now see whether both accounting entry has. Yeah, for both vendor, see payment is getting posted separately for both vendor. Now, so here for first document number and second document number also system is able to post the payment. Now for first vendor also system has taken only 1000 as a payment, and for second vendor also system has considered only 1000 for payment. However, we are having one more open item, that is 500 worth of open item is there, but that is not considered by system for payment. Why? Because that is not due. See, only 2000 system has considered for payment. This 1000 and this 1000. This 500 system has not considered for the payment. So what we have to do? Now if you want to run, you can run the payment. Just come back, click on status and click on payment run. Click on payment run, press enter button here and press enter, press enter, press enter. Okay. So now here click on additional log and click on payment run log. So here also system has posted the payment. If you come here and if you go for refresh, so now what happened? That payment got posted. That payment got posted. Now we are having only this open item. That previous 1000 whatever was there, that got posted. Now we are having this because this already got posted. As I said, guys, you guys don't consider this one because during clearing some problem, I think I might have made some mistake. That's what it is showing open item. Now we are talking about this 500. This 500 is not due. That's what system has not selected this line item, or whatever due or overdue item were there, that was selected by system. And even for two vendor, it means if it you have to run, even if you are having 200 vendor also, you have to run in the same way. So yesterday there was a question from somebody that can we run for more than one vendor? Of course, that's what the use of APP, and that is why APP has been launched or given by SAP. If individually we have to run, then I think it's useless to run individually. So we can run this APP for more vendors now. So this is one scenario. Now we'll do one thing. We'll run for another scenario. Another scenario in the sense, let's suppose we'll post certain payment, some more payment for newly created vendor. We'll post 4 or 5 documents. $1,000. Okay. Save this. Now here 2,500. Then here also 2,500. Press enter. Post this one. We'll post some 4 or 5 invoices first, and then we'll let you know. That will be asked during interview, guys. So 3 we have posted. We'll post one more. We'll post one more. And this is 5,000. Here I have given GL. Here 5,000. Now I will post one more document for 500. And we'll do one thing, click on details, and we are going to post this for manufacturing. Save it. Now here what will happen, we'll see for 90 only, and execute. We'll see the vendor open item report. See here we are having so many line items, all are either due or overdue. Okay, now the criteria is, or the requirement is, that your management said that do one thing, make payment for only this line item 2,500, or make payment for this highest, whatever the higher amount is there, make payment for that against that line item, in the sense that for this line item only payment should be made. Okay, make payment for this line item. except 5,000 remaining should not be paid. Now here the problem is, if you run automatic payment program, then system is going to select all because all are either due or overdue. So how to meet this requirement? If the requirement is to make payment for only 5,000, whatever the line item is having 5,000 value, those need to be posted. Now click on status, and then we are going to run another app. So here run date will be same, but identification code we are going to change. Right now we can make it B. Instead of 4A, we are going to make it 4B and press enter. As usual, you have to give your company code, payment method, next payment date. If you want to give vendor, you can give vendor master number. Let's suppose I'm going to give you. Even if you give all also, that's not a problem, because only this for this vendor for this vendor master only open items are there. Now as usual, whatever setting we used to do for this one, the same setting we are going to do for 90 also. Then now we are going to use free selection. Click on free selection tab. And what is the requirement? The requirement raised by your management that we have to make payment for only 5,000. We are not going to make payment for any other item except this 5,000. So what is the document number of 5,000? 1041. This is the document number for this 5,000 line item. Document number is 1041. So in free selection, what we are going to do there, in free selection we are going to give these kind of criteria. If you have to include something, if you have to exclude something. So now here click on drop down, field name. In that, click on drop down, and for you guys you need to click on others, and then document, press enter. Now see where is the document number. Here is the document number. Double click on document number, and then for which document number we organization says like you need to make payment for which document number, only against 5,000, in the sense the document number 1041. Here if you have given 1041, then system is not going to consider this document number, because system knows that a document number length must be 10 digit. So we'll do one thing. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have added 60 to make it 10 digit. Generally in real time it will be 10 digit itself. So I have added 60, and then so what I have done, I've given this document number here and I saved it. Click on status. Now if I run this app, then what will happen? First of all, system is going to search for this vendor how many open items are there. So system found, okay, these many are there, out of which how many of these items become due or overdue. Now system found everyone. Then system is going to check the free selection criteria also, whether have we given any criteria. Then system will come to know that okay, we have given criteria to post payment against only one document, and that document is 5,000. So click on proposal. Now we'll check whether our requirement is working or not. Press enter. Payment proposal has been created. Click on additional log. We'll do one thing. See at bottom. Now see only 5,000. Only this line item is getting posted. Remaining nothing. As I said, like all line items are overdue or due, but only 5,000 system has selected. Why? Because we have given criteria. We have given criteria while running APP. Click on back button. We have given criteria. Where criteria we have given? In free selection tab. So what is the use of free selection? Use of free selection means free selections free selection tab is used to include or exclude something, guys. Here what I have done, I have given document number, and which document number I have included? 1041. This document number I have included. Now, so if you check here in additional log, then system is showing that only 5,000 is getting posted. It means if we run payment, then 5,000 will be only posted. Now we'll do one more thing. Okay, delete this proposal. Now I'm going to delete this proposal. Why I have deleted? Because we came to know that whatever criteria we have given, it's working perfectly. So during proposal itself, I am going to delete. If you people want to run, you can run the payment also. But here I just have to show you guys whether it is working perfectly or not. So I'm going to delete this proposal because this is working right, well. Now the criteria will be changed here. Now here, earlier management said that only whatever the highest amount is there, that will be paid. So that we have checked and it was working fine. Now organization says that we'll do one thing, run this APP for business area TMAN. For manufacturing, whatever the line items are there for manufacturing, those need to be posted. So for manufacturing business area, once again we have to click on free selection, and we are going to now, not document number, we are going to select business area. See here business area. For you guys, you need to click on others, because I have already used this business area. That's what it is showing over there. Click on, press enter button, and then once you press enter button, then let it appear, and then I'll show you how to select business area. So once again I'll maintain parameter, guys. Click on free selection, and as I said, like now we are going to change the parameter, and the parameter will be we have to run this for business area wise. So I'm going to click here, or else you need to double click on others, a business area not appear over there, and then press on enter button, click on enter button, and see the business area, it's here. Double click on this, and then what I said, we are going to run for that particular business area. So our business area is TMAN. For this business area only we are going to run. So what we have to do here, business area, and then you can give TMAN. TMAN for organizational structure. TMAN. There is no such kind of criteria, that 10-digit length. Now we'll do one thing, save this parameter, and then we'll try to run here proposal. In proposal itself, we can come to know whether it is working fine or not. Press enter, check additional log, and click on proposal run log, and then see at bottom level whether accounting entry has been generated or not. See the 500 only 500 accounting entries system has generated. It means what we have given criteria, that we have given criteria that only payment should be made for this business area. It means remaining item, no business area is there, so system has rejected those. It means system has not selected these items for payment. Only system, as per our given criteria, only this 500 is eligible for payment. Now the criteria got changed. I'm not going to run payment. Why? Because I have shown you guys how to run payment. Simply, if you have to run payment, then click on status, and then payment run log, you have to click on payment run, so that payment will be posted. Now here the criteria got changed. What is the criteria here? Earlier I said like payment should be payment should be made to only one business area, that is manufacturing. Now I'm saying that except this, make payment for all. Except this line item, except for TMAN business area, make payment for all. It means we'll see what is the total value of the amount 1000, and here 4000, 5000, and 5000, 10,000, and to 12,000. Total amount, total due and overdue amount is 12,000, and if you add this one, then 12,500. Now here the requirement is that except this 500, make payment for all. In the sense, except this manufacturing business area, make payment for remaining. So what we are going to do, click on proposal, delete this proposal, and then click on free selection tab, and our requirement is that except this business area, payment should be made for all others. So click here, exclude value. If you click on exclude, it means what instruction we have given to system. We are giving instruction to the system that except manufacturing business area. In the sense, we said like business area. What business area? Business area exclude. I have applied a check mark. Business area exclude. Which business area exclude? TMAN. In value field I have given TMAN. So we have instructed system that exclude the business area. Which business area? TMAN, that I have entered manually. So here, except this business area, payment should be posted for remaining line items. So we'll run this proposal and we'll see. Come on status, click on save, in the sense parameter save, and then we'll run this proposal and then see whether system is selecting other line item for payments or not. Except business area, payment proposal has been created. Click on additional log, click on payment proposal log, come at and see here, system has selected all 12,000 except 500 guys. I shown here we are having total value 12,500, out of which I have given criteria that except these 500, in the sense except manufacturing business area, payment should be posted for other remaining business area. So here system has selected 12,000 for payment, all the line items except 500. So this is how. Now if you want to run payment, then simply you need to click on payment run and then enter, keep on pressing enter. Now if you click on additional log, once again click on payment run log and see this got posted. And if you see here balance, click on refresh. Okay, so what we have done, payment we have posted, and see here except 500, all line item got cleared. So this is how you have to run, guys. And during interview, if you go for interview, people will ask that, let's suppose I am having 10 line item, out of which I want to make payment for only one or two. What you have to do? Or is I have 10 line item, I don't want to make payment of 2 line item, remaining I want to make payment, what I have to do? Or else I have to run payment for business area, in the sense business area wise, cost center wise, profit center wise. Whatever they say, you have to answer. You have to say that yes, it is possible. How it is possible? So it is possible through free selection. In free selection, the include and exclude functionality is given by SAP during APP, that is there in free selection. So if somebody don't want to include any profit center, cost center, then we have to give that profit center or cost center, and we can click here on exclude value. And even business area, we are not having profit center, cost center right now, we are having business area. So for business area, I have run this payment. So if somebody asks like, can we run payment for separately for a particular business area, for particular cost center, for a particular profit center, whatever they say, you have to say yes, 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 yes. Why? Because almost all criteria, if you see here, all the criteria has been added. See, click on others. So in others, like we are having document, vendor master, customer master. Even if you click on document and then press enter, so for document itself, whatever the fields appears during document posting, every field they have added here. Okay, so if somebody asks that, can we run this app profit center wise, cost center wise, business area wise, terms of payment wise, payment method wise, yes, 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 every time you have to say yes, we can run, yes, we can run, yes, yes, we can run. So the next question is how. So you have to say that this can be achieved with the help of free selection tab, because there we are having option to include or exclude certain things. So that's all in APP, guys. That's all in automatic payment program. So here APP automatic payment program is finished here itself.